Hello guys, this is Rudy from POWEROAD as technical engineer. So this is our first liquid cooling product, Flex 233. So you can see there is 5 modules inside in series, and below in the bottom is the high voltage box, and there is CBMS inside. And on the right here is the chiller for cooling the system, and below is the PCS, which is 100 kilowatt. So its capacity is about 233 kilowatt hours, and the power is 100. So it's a 2-hour system. Protection level is IP55, which can be used outdoor. With liquid cooling method, we can achieve the temperature difference in the module under 3 degrees Celsius, and in the cabinet 5 degrees Celsius. So it's all-in-one system, which means the PCS is inside and the DC coupling is finished. So the users only need to do AC coupling, and it can be done less in half an hour. And its IP protection level is IP55, and it's so space saving and highly integrated.